Real estate is not about just buying a house and hoping it goes up in value. There are 4 ways real estate investors build wealth every single month, and I use all 4 of them right here in Dubai. But the best part? These work in any city, whether you are in London, in Mumbai or in Dubai. And number 4, most beginners don't even know it exists. Let's break them down. The first one, the capital appreciation. That's just a fancy way of saying your property goes up in value over time. So you buy a house for $200,000 and 5 years later it's worth $200,000. Boom, that's 100K in profit. Here in Dubai, we have seen crazy appreciations like 20-30% in a single year. But even in slower market, appreciations happen long term. Just buy in the right location, hold for a few years and let the market do its job. Next, the cash flow. This is the monthly income you get from the rent after all your expenses are paid. Let's say that your mortgage, fees and maintenance total $2,000, but your tenant pays you $3,000 a month. That's $1,000 straight into your bank account every single month. Even if the property doesn't go up in value right away, you are still getting paid just to own it. And passive income like this is how real estate gives you freedom. Next one, let's talk about mortgage repayment, or how I like to call it, invisible savings. Every month, your tenant pays a rent. That rent goes towards your loan and your debt goes down while your ownership goes up. So over time, you owe less and own more of the property. Even if you're not selling, you're still building equity behind the scenes. It's like someone helping you to buy the property for you, one payment at a time. And now the last one, my favorite one actually, is the forced appreciation. So that's when you don't have to wait for the market to go up. You can create value yourself. Paint those walls, upgrade the kitchen, upgrade the bathrooms. Suddenly, your property is worth way more without waiting years. Sometimes a $20,000 or $30,000 renovation can add $100,000 of value or more to your property. So let's recap the 4 ways real estate makes money. First one is the capital appreciation. That's when your property goes up in value over time. Second, the cash flow. That's when the rent pays you monthly income. Third one, the mortgage repayment. So that's when the tenant pays off your loan. Last one is the forced appreciation. So that's when your property increases in value through smart upgrades. So this is how real estate builds real wealth. Not overnight, but consistently and powerfully. If you want to see how to make 300K in 6 months with one property, just have a look at my video over here. And if you want no BS investing tips like this, hit subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.